Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the MS PowerPoint video series. So in the last class, we have discussed about these all options. We have completed the record tab, and now we are going to move to the review tab. As you can see in the review tab, these are the same options which are in the MS Word review format tab. So as you can see, the spelling and grammar, if you want to make changes or if you want to make sure in spelling and grammar, you can also do that. So these are all same options. And now we are going to move to the important option, which is, so as you can see, the currently presentation mode is normal. If you want to see the outline view, you can click on the outline view and the outline view will look like this. If you want to add your notes, you can also do that. As you can see, the slide sorter, if you want to see in this view like a slide sorter, you can also do that. Note and pages, if you want to add any kind of a note for your slide, you can also do that. It's up to you. And reading view, if you want to read slide only, you can also do that. In this way, in this mode, you can only read the slide, you can't do any changes. After that, we are going to do the normal, and after that we are directly moving to the rulers option. If you want to insert a rulers and make your margin setting, you can also do that. Grid lines are here and guides are provided here as well. If you want to add your notes, you can also add the notes. And if here's a zoom option, if you want to make it zoom 400, 200 and 100, it is provided here. Now after that, you have to fit to window. If you want to make it fit to window, colorful, if you want to go to the grayscale, you can also convert this into a grayscale like black and all. I'm going to back to the color view, and after that going to the view. And after that, these are some basic options. We have already discussed about these options in MS Word, like a new window. If you want to create a new window, you can also do that. We are going to close this one and arrange all. If you have multiple windows, you can arrange all in one screen. Cascade and move split and switch windows, these are the same options. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the presentation and create it and design it and perform it. So see you guys in the next video.